So hi guys, and welcome back. And I'm just heading down to a lovely location on the lake where we're actually staying. And I spoke to some locals here, and there's some common loons back on territory. Beautiful birds. Back in the UK we call them Great Northern Divers, and they're on location down there, and they're quite skittish, quite shy. So I'm hoping to get myself in a great position to photograph them today. Beautiful birds in their breeding plumage. So fingers crossed we get lucky. I've got the Tragopan V6 with me. Might be using that if I need to. So I need to make myself a little bit more less exposed, really. And yeah, but all being well, fingers crossed, we'll have some results. So guys, it's been down a 10-kilometre track. I've just arrived at the lake now, and it's pretty nice and very, very quiet. No sign of any loons yet, or should I say diver, Great Northern Diver. Really hoping we get to see them, but it's a big ass lake, and yeah, they aren't exactly massive birds, so we'll have to wait and see. So guys, currently set up, waiting for the Great Northern Diver, or the common loon. As I said, saw it this morning, just off our pontoon. And this is apparently where they hang out, in this corner. It's lovely in the sun here. And there's a lot of cover and stuff to allow them to build a nest in there. But this is a pretty huge lake, so they could literally be anywhere. They may still be trying to establish territory, so maybe they're here, maybe they're visiting another lake nearby, I don't really know, but got to give it a go. It's all very well being here, but you know, I don't even know if they're going to get close. I've got the 500 with 1.4 on. I've got a 2x telly in my bag, and I've got the RF 800 as well, just in case, but yeah, it's a bit of a waiting game really, but we'll see how we get on. So we've currently got the loons just out to my right hand side. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. So guys, this is the way to do it. A nice cup of coffee and a rather large Swiss roll. So came back in off the kayaks after seeing the loons out on the lake, got real quite close, but only had my GoPro with me, so I wasn't able to get much video, but it's not worth the risk taking a lens and a camera body out with me. But so the loons had made their way down to the right, and I'm hoping they're going to come up round, but they've been gone for about half an hour now, so I'm thinking they may have just laid up down the bottom there. Maybe gone ashore or something like that, I'm not sure. And I heard a pair of common loons further up calling. So that's two pairs. Now I'm not sure whether these are breeders or not. Can't really see them up close well enough to sort of ID if they're juvenile or not, but I'm hoping they will
be in. As I said this morning, they were right in close, about 7 o'clock in the morning. I ran up and got my lens and came down, and as soon as I got back here, they were right up in the middle, and they're a bit distant, so I've got a little bit of footage, but yeah, it's quite far off, but it's quite nice. It's a beautiful day. Sat here on the jetty, and hopefully they'll come back, work away along the shoreline, and maybe we'll get some images. It's a little chilly breeze. It's about like 2 degrees today, and it looks lovely, and it's warm on my back, but when that wind comes across, oh, it's chilly. But anyway, get back to me Swiss roll and my coffee, and we'll keep those fingers crossed, hoping that those loons will return. So guys, I've been waiting a whole week to get close to common loons, and I've just put everything away, kayaks, the camera equipment, on our last night. I've got 2 loons coming right towards me at the moment, just about to have tea. Got a glass of vino in hand. It's amazing, these birds are really skittish. Trouble is, at the moment they're coming towards the side lighting, and it's going to be terrible. I'm hoping they move more to my right and I get the sun coming from the side. Otherwise I'm going to have to adjust position. And they're not actually hunting, they're just on the water. Lovely how they create that low profile in the water. Oh, I never expected them to be. I thought they won't come this evening because it's so far away from where I think they breed. And they're moving left now. Oh, it's lovely. It's just flaring its body out now. I think I'm going to have to move. So we just had the loons go round the corner. The light's beautiful at the moment. But I don't know if it's going to come back round. There's a bit of insects, like, flying around with the light. It's beautiful. Lovely, lovely sort of halo, blurred effect, sparkling effect. It's amazing. If they just come back round, it would be awesome, but I don't know if they've gone to roost round the corner, I don't know, but God, if they came round, it'd be amazing. Once that light goes, that'll be it. That moment's gone, especially with the effect of the sunlight, but I'm shooting right into the light at the minute, so it's more of a silhouette shot really. I've set my Kelvin setting really quite orangey. Will they come back? I don't know. So we've had an absolutely amazing week so far. We've got a couple days to go, and we've seen loads of new bird species, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Daddy saw a new hawk, didn't he? It was called the broad-winged hawk. And now we haven't seen any moose or bear yet, have we?
No.
But we did see. What did Daddy see the other day?
Wolf.
Yeah, we were out for a walk and we saw a lone wolf. Saw the back end of it just as it was going through. We've seen loads of new birds, haven't we? Been in the lake kayaking, we've been on fire pits, we've even had a sauna, hot tub. We're in the middle of nowhere. It's absolutely fantastic, isn't it? What have you enjoyed most about it?
I've enjoyed going out for walks together and doing kayaking.
Yeah, indeed, we have. And Henry's been out with his camera as well, his Canon 7D2. And his little kit lens, and he's had a great time, and you got some good shots.
Yeah.
We'll put those on the end of the video as well. But we just wanted to say, really, how much we've enjoyed ourselves. And what would you like to say about maybe people might want to follow me, Henry? What do you think they should say? Maybe do you think people should follow Dad?
Yeah. So please follow my dad. He's trying his best on his videos, and he really wants to get some more. So please subscribe to this video about my dad and me.
Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.